5 seconds.
It did.
Alright. Okay, guys. I can delete the first part. Alright, so let's start again.
Take two.
Take two. Alright, here we go.
Take two.
Alright. Now that you know how to identify and read closed silent E, open, and vowel team syllables, we'll use the knowledge to read two-syllable words that have these syllable tags. Watch what I do to read this multi-syllable pseudo word. So my first word is okay, so I identify the first vowel sound. I look to see what it is, and I see it is a vowel team, so I put my 2 fingers with my left hand here, and then I go ahead and I underline it. Okay, then I look to see, is there another vowel sound? Yes. I see an A sound, and because it is a silent E, I make a V underneath it. And then what I'll do is I will draw a V. There. Okay. So this word has 2 vowel sounds. I underlined the A and the I because they spell the first vowel sound. And I connected the A and E with a V shape because they spell the second vowel sound. Next, I look to see how many consonants there are between the 2 vowel sounds. I notice that there's 2 consonants. So that means that I split it between those 2 consonants. So I'll put a line right there to separate it. Now I know I have 2 syllables with 2 vowel sounds. So what I'll do is I'll read the first vowel sound, which is glape, because that's the AI sound, glape, in the vowel team. And this one is nave, because it has a silent E with a V. So I would say it all together, glape, nave. Alright? Now, let's read 2-syllable pseudo words together, and I'll gesture and answer with you. The first word that we will use is okay. All right. Find the vowel letters and pretend to touch under them. So the first vowel sound you see is, what symbol do you make? Good. This means vowel team. So we would put that under there for a vowel team. Okay, then we look for which letter should I underline to represent that vowel sound? O and A. Very good. Okay. Now I look to see, is there another vowel sound? Yes, I see one. What hand signal? What hand signal would you make? Everybody make a vowel team. Okay, and then I will underline that vowel sound. Okay. Look between the vowel sounds. How many consonants do you see? 3, but 2 of them make what sound? 1 sound. Which 2 letters make 1 sound? W and A. So we're looking not at so much the letters as the sounds. There are 2 consonant sounds. So we would put a line there. We have the B and the WH. Okay? So then we can look at our first vowel team, our first syllable, and we can say stove. And we can look at our second vowel team. Our second vowel team, which is in the syllable, and then we would say way. All right. So we'd say it all together. Stove, way. Very good. All right. So now let's turn to practicing the reading more pseudo words. Okay. We have how many vowel sounds? 2, correct. What is the first vowel sound? Would it be this, or this? Closed, right? Closed. Because closed syllables have a vowel with a consonant following it. 1 vowel with a consonant following it. Alright, so our first one is a closed syllable. So we'll underline that vowel sound, which is? Our vowel sound is? A. Okay. We have a second vowel sound. Which is it? Is it closed, open?
Closed.
Closed, so we'll underline it. And what sound does it make? Right? It makes an sound. Okay? And are there two consonants between the two vowel sounds? Yeah, so we would separate it between the?
D and the S.
Correct. So our first syllable would be lad. Our second would be son. So we would say lad, son. Okay? And because these are pseudo words, you wouldn't get it wrong if you said lad, son as well. So, alright. So let's try another word before we... Okay. So, let's find our first vowel sound. What would it be? Vowel team. Very good. So we'll underline it. What sound does that vowel team make? Oh. Alright. We have a second vowel sound, which would be what symbol? Everybody shown vowel team. Very good. We would underline it. Okay. We have two consonant sounds between the two vowel sounds, correct? Alright, so where would we divide it? Between the M and the G. So we look at our first one, since we know this is a vowel team, the first letter gets to make the sound. So we would say blown, reel. Very good. Alright, so now we're going to get some words, and you guys are going to get to divide them on your paper. Make sure you write the syllable, like if it's closed, write the closed syllable here, and then maybe the next one's a silent E, you would write that one there. Alright, so our first one. Alright, so find the first vowel sound. If it's a vowel team, you underline it, or if it's closed, you underline it. If it's open, you would underline it, and if it's silent E, you would put a V under it. Then I need you to see between your two vowel sounds, if there's two consonant sounds, you need to divide it there. And then you can put it in the boxes. Okay? Gurpreet? Go ahead and... Very good. Very good. Good job. And you can write them into the correct. Alright, so, good job. So how would we say the first syllable? Phone. And the second syllable? Voice. Right. So say it together. Phone, voice. That's a crazy pseudo word, right? Alright. Let's do another one. Here's a good one. Alright, find your vowel sounds. Divide the word. Do I have a volunteer? Alright, Isaac. Do the word first and then write your syllable. Go ahead and do the word first. It could be. There you go. Okay. Alright. So our first syllable would be crib. Our second syllable, fine. We have what kind of, he said this is closed. Do you agree?
Yes.
And this one is silent E. Yes. Alright. One more. Alright. Let's see. Oh, this is a real word. I bet we'll do that one. Oh, here's a good one. Since this is a real word. No, this is a good word. And it goes well with our valley. That goes well with our valley since we grow most of the world's raisins. Actually, you don't grow raisins. You grow grapes and you turn them into raisins. Okay, once you have it, Daniel. Alright, good job. So we would say Ray, because this is a vowel team, Ray, and then sin. Raisin.
I thought it was raised and then in.
You know, that's one of those where it could be either. But you'd have to look in the dictionary to see exactly what. But in this case, since we're doing vowel teams, you have two vowels. The second one, you can do raise. I say raisin. I don't say raise in. Do you say raise in or raisin? So it would be, this is the correct raisin. Raisin. All right, good job.